Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. So today I am going to do this. When I encounter some resource pack like this and when I collect it, it will show a floating text like this to show what I collected. So here I collected 5 arrows. So that's what I am going to do today. Let me show you the demonstration again. Right. A floating text to show what I collected. And as always, this episode is also sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so first of all, I have to do a small correction for the VP resource. Here, I have to define this get action. Because when I register this BP resource as an interactable actor on the player character, I do this. If the interactable actor is valid, I call get action and append the action button E and show it as a tip here. So therefore, I don't need to do this part in the resource. So I'll just delete this part and also this part. Right, so it will make things less complicated. And yeah, but I have to define action. So for the get action, I'll type collect arrow. Actually not arrows, I need to do an append here. Collect the resource type and cast it to a text or string like this. Now it will return collect arrow because this type is arrows, so it will work here. Right, and also when I unregister the interactable actor, I need to call this show tip with an empty text like this. So it will remove whatever the text that we already have in the tip section. Let's see if that works still. Right, yeah, it is working. And one more thing, what's this? Right here, I need to do this only once, and after this is collected, I need this arrow to vanish. So first I'll make this start interaction part only once with the do once node like this. And also after that I'll disable the collisions. For this box collider, because I don't need to show that notification collect arrows again and again each time I pass it arrows once I have collected it. So it should show up if I haven't collected it yet. Once I collect it, that notification should not appear like this. Right, so the next thing I want to do is showing some floating text like 3x woods or 4x woods, like, to show that I have collected that amount of resource. How can I do that? Let's add a text here. Or should I do it in the inventory? Yeah, let's try this. Let's add a text. And how can I rotate this towards the player or the camera? Can I do something about this? That here in the material settings. Actually, instead of this text render, we can add a 3D widget here. So yeah, like this. Okay, so let's create a new widget. What should I name it? Let's just call it text. WTG text. And I'll add a text box. I don't have to be editable, so just a text component. I'll delete the default text, and actually I'll leave it like this, and just I just want to see how it looks. So let's add a widget like this, and here text, this one, compile. Okay, it is visible like this. And how does it look in the game world? Where is it? But it's not. Okay, it is here. Well, I need it to look somewhere here, and it should always face the camera. So first let's fix its anchors to the middle, and the pivot alignment to 0.5 and 0.5, 0, 0. Right, also the text alignment should be centered so that it would spread evenly on the right. This is good. Now how to make it always look at the camera. Space is word. Let's make this one screen space. What happened? And where did it go? Right, now it's visible like this. Okay, that's better. So let's it's too big. Let's make it 250. 250. Okay, still too big. I think I need to change the size here. Yeah, I'll make it 12, and I don't need it to be bold, so I'll put regular. Yeah, this size is okay. Now what I need to do is show the amount of the resource I collected and the resource type, and move it, float it above the float it upward and vanish basically. So let me delete the text because I need to change it dynamically according to the resource type, and to do that I may need an event. So let's make this one a variable. Let's create a custom event. Update update text. Text set text no, this is not the way. Set text, right, this is the method, and the text should come in as an input. Okay, so when I collect the resource, I should show get widget, yeah, get user widget, and in order to access that event I need the cast to widget text, and set text what, no, as not set update text, right. Here I need to do append collected, no, I don't think I need to do the show the collected. So let's get the type and print it first, and n space x plus amount, so it will show it like arrows x3. Or should I change this order? Yeah, so 3 arrows, 4 arrows, like that it will show the notification. And let's give it a delay of 1 second, and I need this widget to disappear. Oh, I can make this whole thing disappear. Let's still destroy all this object because I don't need it anymore. Let's see. Okay, the 5x arrow showed and it goes. I think 5x arrows is too small. So I'll make it bold, and also I need it to move upward. Mm, let's do that part. And where should I do it? So in order to move this widget, we can do something like this. Let's detach widget from its parent, keep everything world in world location, rotation and scale, and then let's get the world location of this widget, and let's move component with 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 would be enough, and connect this one like this. So here I'm going to move this upward 30 units. Let's see. And destroy. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it stopped. I don't need it to happen like that. It should continue to go. So therefore, let's do it like this. Let's add a sequence here and connect it to the second one, and first one I'll connect it like this, and I'll destroy this one in 0.5 seconds, and I'll keep it moving for 1 second. So let's see how it looks now. Still it is not moving. Okay, let's try 60. The problem is this one. Let's set it 0. No. Right, so these settings works better. And here is the final preview. Right, that's so. And to make it a little more interesting, I'll place some sound effect here. At location, and let's give the location as this one, and for the sound I'll use this. Okay, finally let's add a couple of other arrows only for demonstration purposes like this, and collect them like this. Right, okay, so that's all, and that's all I'm going to do for today. And in the future I'm going to continue to improve my inventory, actually inventory UI and crafting, arrow crafting, and other element crafting as well. And thank you for watching, and I'll also upload the latest source code update into my Patreon page. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club right here. Link would be in the description below. and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.